kids free meals? Sounds like a no-brainer for the betterment of humanity, right? Unfortunately, here in Indonesia, the free nutritious meals, or as we say, makan bergizi gratis or MBG, was a multi-billion-dollar program served hot that's now gone cold with corruption. So what happened? How did such a good idea go so wrong? The parent and teacher I spoke to both requested anonymity, fearing backlash from the president's supporters for speaking to the press about MBG.
Ya aku dan suami antisipatif ke anakku untuk kamu nggak usah makan deh nanti kalau misalkan dapat MBG di sekolah.
Tens of thousands of food poisoning cases have been officially reported since its launch. And just this week, Dadan Hindayana, the chief of Indonesia's National Nutrition Agency, which runs the MBG, was arrested on corruption charges, along with 2 deputies, a day after they were fired. For now, it appears as though that's as far up as the scandal goes. The government insists that justice be served as President Subianto's flagship program continues along. Introduced back in 2024 as the core campaign promise by now President Prabowo Subianto, the MBG was offered as a solution to a real problem in some areas: child malnutrition. But once it was rolled out in 2025, the government used the program to ambitiously provide meals for all schools in the country, private, religious, and public, regardless of the child's economic situation at home.
Lebih baik kalau programnya itu dialokasikan lebih dulu untuk anak-anak yang memang membutuhkan dan berada di daerah-daerah pencil.
Now, it turns out, after a year of chasing quantity over quality, the government agrees.
Jujur sekarang yang numpuk ini di aglomerasi, yang 3T belum kesentuh. Jadi Pak Presiden pesannya kami harus ke 3T.
An MBG coordinator I spoke to said that the food quality has been so poor. There's now a lot of mistrust.
Opini di masyarakat yang mengatakan ya mungkin terjadi kasus keracunan dan lain sebagainya yang membuat orang tua atau si anaknya itu khawatir untuk memakan MBG. Bukan hanya membagikan makanan sesuai jumlah porsinya, tetapi dari dapurnya, dari sistemnya, dari pilot project-nya itu yang harus benar-benar dibaguskan dan dilakukan pengecekan berkali-kali karena ini melibatkan banyak orang dan melibatkan banyak penerima manfaat.